One.
Yes,
Star.
look, let me press it.
The star. Here you go. Yeah, we're at Disneyland.
Here's one.
Excuse me.
Here's one. There's one coming. Yeah, it's okay. Because it's not here, it's gonna go.
We got our in and out food.
We got some stickers too. Yeah, thank you.
Look at these cute Disneyland ones.
Those are so cute.
Do you like the red with white polka dots or the white with red? She just said.
And they open little windows. So cute. Definitely recommend.
Stop it.
It's only $29.
That's not bad because it's not a Nike one. It's still really nice. You don't
No,
like
I
it?
know. No, I do like it. I'm
Oh.
just saying, oh, that's why it's $29.
Look at this.
Makes sense. It's $60 cheaper.
It's Minnie's house, and look, it's like
Oh, that's cute.
Olaf necklace. Wait, oh my god. No, no, no. I need. Look.
Those are cute. Yeah, those are cute.
I really need these.
You like those bracelets, Adeline? Okay, this stuff is so cute, babe. I want all of this.
Wait, you need to get a magic band. Magic bands are over there. I need a magic
I want
band
this
for me.
mug. Oh, yeah, you're right, we do. But we can go to World of Disney tonight. My gosh. Look at the little ornament.
Mommy, I need this for my Lilo and Stitch outfit.
You have like 5 Lilo and Stitch outfits for
I don't
this trip.
want that. I don't have this.
I know. If you want to spend your money. Ryan's just picking out art over here. What are you doing? Picking out some art?
Yeah, so you pick your size that you want if you want it framed. So it's only $39 unframed.
Well, nice.
Daddy, are you gonna go in the pool?
You're gonna have to go by yourself on the slides.
Yes, sir. No, go in the pool. I did go in the pool.
No, but the problem is we don't have enough room.
Room for what?
We can't have Adeline be in a separate space because of the baby. We can't just walk away from the baby.
Right. All right.
It's holding us back.
Going back to our room.
That's all of the colors that they used to make these movies.
Yeah, but we learned this. We took a tour earlier and our wonderful tour guide told us that. So now Ellison is telling you that.
There's like a weird thing.
What's
right
there, Adeline? Look, a huge beetle. Looks very small on the camera. All right, we are going in through the Discovery Den.
Lemonade water.
Lemon water.
Oh my god.
That's not our room, Adeline. That's not our room, Adeline. You rolling around? The water. Just chilling at the bottom of the water slide.
too? Look. You just swim in.
Did she say school's already started here?
I want to say hi. Ready,
I
y'all?
didn't expect that.
3. Did you just get a free popsicle? Yeah? At the pool.
We're giving out free pops over there at the pool. Hey, Libby. Hi, Adeline. Pluto, sous chef. That means he's like the assistant chef. Chip is a server. Hi. Say hi, Pluto. Oh my goodness. Can you say hi? Oh. You want to give him a pet on his nose? Pet his nose. Yeah, it's okay. You can do it. He's kissing Libby's toes.
All right.
Look, it's Minnie and Goofy. He gave it a kiss. Look, he even drew a heart. He's a tail. Can you get up and take a picture? Can you go? All right. Oh, so sweet, Adeline. Here, turn around. Let's take a picture. Yep. Smile. Say cheese. All right. Can you say bye, Dale, and thank you? But tell him to come back and say hi to Ellison when she's done getting food. Big sissy. Yeah. You did it. Adeline.
No.
Go. Oh. No, go like this. Go like this. Like Ellison. Look. Look, and everyone's doing it. Look over there. Adeline, look. She's like, what is going on? Do it. Oh, this is the best song. Ready? I know. Here they come. Look. Do it. Look, Adeline. Look, there's Minnie. You have to go. Go give him one. Oh, so sweet. Here, babe. Oh, he likes your bow. I bet because, yeah, and it's like his nose. It's black like his nose. Yep. Nice bye.
Chip, can you sign?
Yeah. You say hi, Libby. Thank you. Yeah. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you getting autographs? You need Minnie to come sign? Who else? Who else needs to sign?
Goofy.
Goofy. Is it good, Elle? It's kind of dark in here. Oh yeah, Pluto. We took a picture with Pluto.
And we just got a picture with
Chip. Adeline ate all of her mac and cheese. And watermelon.
And after this, we're gonna go downtown Disney.
Yes, we're gonna go to downtown Disney. Libby. Libby. Libby's coming here. Look at you, Libby. Libby. Say hi. So cute. Adeline, can you go give her a hug?
Give her a hug.
Yeah, you can get up, honey. Oh, so sweet. She likes your bow. Yeah? Thank you, Minnie. Oh. All right.
Peanut butter and jelly pizza.
Peanut butter and jelly pizza. You gotta try it.
Sprinkles on it.
How does it taste? He's hoping good.
A little messy.
Where's Goofy though?
Where's Goofy? He's back in the front.
Now we're gonna try the s'mores.
Okay, s'mores pizza. Is it good?
I want this outside.
Does it taste like a s'more?
I want this
How is it?
Oh, good.
I want this
like a-
outside.
Maybe like a 7.5.
Oh.
The s'mores pizza would probably be an 8.5 out of 10.
Oh wow. Okay. How's your food been? Clearly really good because you got whipped cream all over your nose. Got some churros.
The best things in the world.
Well, not exactly.
The best dessert in the world.
Churros,
I need to sit down.
lollipops, Coke, a balloon,
That lights up.
all the things.
That we need.
Libby is loving the balloon. All right, closing out the vlog. Going to bed. Was it a good travel day, everyone? Ellison,
Hi.
did we have a good good travel day?
Yes. Yes. It was really good.
It was long.
Really long.
Yeah, it's 9:30 here. So we're going night-night. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Like and subscribe.